Hello friends, my name is Dr. Bharath Chandra. Videos are meant for the benefit of society. Today's topic, let markets remain low like this for next 20 months. Some of you may confuse. This is not my statement. This is one of the messages we received in the chat box. November 21 batch. I'm happy market is down. Hope it will stay low for another 15 to 20 months so that I can get stocks for low cost for my future SCPs. If you ask any one of the graduates of Dr. Bharath Chandra, probably they will opine exactly like this. And our comments are as below. Number one, SCP or systematic equity plan is done for long term of 5, 10, 20, 30 years. Number two, if you keep selling and buying in between, it becomes like short-term transactions. There will be no continuous compounding. Number three, you need to sell stocks only when you feel the company is not doing well or you need the money for some important purpose such as children expenses, retirement, house purchase, construction, etc. The next question, sir, zero the up stocks grow. App only we have to buy stocks. Can we not buy directly? Stocks have to be bought and sold only through stock brokers on the stock exchanges. You cannot directly buy from companies such as Infosys, TCS, etc. This is like buying medicines from a medical shop which are manufactured by pharma companies. You cannot directly buy from pharma companies. Number three, so having a demat account is compulsory to trade in stock market. As all of you know, we conduct live question answer sessions once in a week and many people get their answers live there, and whatever questions are unanswered, we are answering them now so that larger number of people will benefit. The next question, sir, I am 32-year-old working for government. I have NPS. Can I put money into share market? Is it good or bad? Our comments, number one, NPS is a compulsory investment for all government employees. It invests only around 30 to 50% in stocks, hence the returns are in the range of 9 to 11% per annum in the long term. Number two, the NPS corpus has to be held till the age of 60. Also, NPS corpus cannot be fully withdrawn even at the age of 60. 60% of the corpus can be withdrawn. The remaining 40 has to be reinvested in pension schemes which will give regular pension type of amounts and will work out to around 6% per annum like annuities. Number three, so it makes sense to invest some portion of your savings in stock markets for long term so that you'll have good corpus for various requirements of your life. Number four comment, the NPS investment done from your salary is usually around 10% of your salary and hence it will not be big savings to depend on in the future. Here is a 27-year-old person asking a question. I am watching all your videos. I have started SCP this month. My question is 36,000 worth shares purchased in angel broking. 360 rupees brokerage has been cut. Why? Our comments. Observe the contract note or statement sent by a broker. They would have mentioned how brokerage is charged, GST on brokerage, securities transaction tax, stock exchange fees, etc. Usually in normal brokerage companies, you will get charged 0.7 to 1% of the investment or sale amount. Number three, in zero brokerage companies like Zerodha, in spite of no brokerage charges for delivery trades, you will still incur around 0.2 to 0.3% charges. If you want to learn fundamental analysis and technical analysis, you have got to join Dr. Bharath Chandra's workshop, a very popular workshop being conducted for the last 23 years, and many people keep asking us the details. To know more details about our 3 months online Kannada stock market course, you got to compulsorily attend a introductory webinar, and that is being organized on 17th July Sunday 10:30 a.m. to 1 p.m. For this online webinar, if you want to get the link, you got to send us an email successdigest@gmail.com, your name, mobile number, and in the subject column type Kannada webinar. Once you attend the webinar, you are satisfied that you're going to get the benefit, then you can decide to join the workshop. The next question is about mutual fund portfolio. Sir, last 3 months I've been seeing all your videos. Mutual fund portfolio, how much money I should keep? Our comments: if you don't know anything about stock markets or don't want to learn, then you can invest whatever you can save as SIP in mutual funds for long term, maybe around 20 to 30% of your total assets. If you are interested to make higher returns, then you need to learn about stock markets in detail, then invest. Third, so the decision is yours depending on your willingness to learn about stock markets. Here is a question regarding split and bonus. In shares, split and bonus, is there any minimum duration at which it has to be given? Any rules like that? Our comments: number one, there is no government rule which makes it compulsory for companies to issue bonus shares or split the face value. Number two, some companies like Infosys have given bonus and split their shares multiple times in the last 20 years. Number three, on the other hand, companies such as Maruti, Page Industries, and even MRF have never given bonus or split their shares. Number four, it all depends on the management of the companies and what they decide. The next question may clear the doubt regarding long term. Sir, namaskar, long term means 8 to 12 months, is it right? Our comments: what we mean by long term is minimum 5 years. Ideally, long term should be until retirement or children education or whatever event you are investing for. 2. Short term means a few weeks to few months. Number 3. More profits can be made by investors who hold on to good stocks for longer periods. Shorter the period, the higher the risk, lower the returns. Here is a question regarding monopoly stocks. Sir, please make a video on 10 best monopoly stocks. Our comments: we have already made many videos on this topic. Just search on your YouTube for Monopoly Dr. Bharath Chandra. You will get the videos. Many people are confused about stop loss. Here is a question: how to put the stop loss? In long term, do we need to put the stop loss? Our comments: you can check online or ask your broker on how to put stop loss for your short-term transaction. It does not fall under our purview because we are only teaching about the profitability of stock markets. Number two, for long-term investments, there is no need to put a stop loss since you are likely to be investing in fundamentally strong stocks and mostly through SCP. Hence, if the price falls, you will have a good opportunity to invest. I am 28 years old, May 2022 batch. I've been watching all your videos regularly. They are extremely helpful to all Kannadigas, and please continue your service. And the next question: all your videos are coming out very well. I've been continuously and regularly watching. Shortly, I am going to take your workshop and I have made a little bit of profits. Thank you. Our comments: please continue to watch our videos, share our videos to all your friends and relatives too, so that they also become financially literate. Number two, stock market is a place where there is enough for everybody. There is no need to compete with each other. Here is a grandfather commenting: I want to invest 5,000 monthly for 18 to 20 years for my grandkids of 1 year age. Please clarify. Our comments. It's a great idea that you want to invest for your grandchildren. They will be grateful to you in the future. Number two, please learn through our YouTube videos and also online course to plan it well so that you know how to manage it and able to inform your next generation about it so that they can also manage it in future in your absence. Number three, this is a much better option than giving bank deposits to grandchildren. The next question is useful for everybody. March 21 batch. When I am investing for short term, sometimes out of the 25 stocks I am doing technical analysis, 6 or 7 buy indications will be there. Should I buy all of them and how much amount? Our comments. Number one, for short term, allocate around 50,000 to 1 lakh capital in the initial stages. Number two, select only 2 to 3 companies maximum for 1 lakh capital. Invest when the buy indication arises for the stocks. Number three, once you make some profits and gain experience after some months, then you can increase your capital, divide the money so that around 50,000 to 1 lakh is invested per stock when the buy indication arises. Number four, there is no need to buy all stocks which are giving buy indication. You may choose some stocks among them. 5. As you do more transactions for short term, you will understand how to manage and allocate your capital. Friends, this is all in this edition of the video. If you are not the member of Stock Market Academy, this is the time to subscribe, press the bell icon, send this video to all your friends, and the video is good, press the like button. Finally, contents of the video are good. Please type good in the comment section. Thank you and all the best.